Module 6, Flow Diagrams. The aim of this unit is to show the importance of flow diagrams in the HACCP process. Learning outcomes: by the end of this unit, you should be able to explain a flow diagram, to find out how to construct a flow diagram, and to state the importance of validating a flow diagram. So, a flow diagram is a systematic representation of the sequence of steps or operations involved with a particular food item or process, usually from receipt of raw material to consumer. Let's show you an example of a flow diagram for chicken and black pepper. So we start off, first of all, with the purchase of frozen chicken. It's delivered. It's put into frozen storage at minus 18 degrees C or less. Then it's thawed under controlled conditions, preferably in a fridge. Then it's stored in a fridge at less than minus 4 degrees C. Then it's cooked, and cooked to a temperature of 75 degrees C core temperature. Although between you and me, that is a bit too high. You'll end up with a dry product. It's far better to cook it to, say, round about 63 degrees C, which is part of the, or above the temperature danger zone, but it will still remain juicy. Again, that's up to the HACCP team to decide on the cooking temperature. Cooling must be cooled down as quickly as possible. Then storage in chilled containers, fridges at less than 4 degrees Celsius. Is sliced or prepared. Then is served. So that's the chicken part of the operation. Let's have a look at the introduction of black pepper. So black pepper is purchased, is delivered, is stored in dry containers, then is added to the chicken, and then consumed by the customer, or put for sale, packed and then put for sale. You need to audit the process, in other words, validate the process, flowchart. Is it accurate for every occasion? This is an example of a HACCP control chart. That would be the start of the control chart, where you've got the process steps, hazards and sources and causes of. Control measures is a critical control point. Yes, no, or it might just be a control point. Then the other part, the end part, is critical limit, monitoring, including frequency and person, and corrective action and person responsible. Now, there will be examples of a completed HACCP control chart as I go through this course. So the key points for this section: we looked at flow diagrams, how to construct a flow diagram, although I will show you more detail of a flow diagram later on. The importance of validating a flow diagram.